Hey, it's Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. We're going to talk about audiobooks this week, and specifically some very detailed information about how to prepare an audiobook. And everything I'm about to teach you is inspired by Pamela Almond, the captain's voice, who is a kick-butt audiobook narrator. She has won a ton of awards, and she's actually going to be teaching some classes for us here at the Great Voice Company coming up. But anyway, this week, inspired by Pam, I want to talk to you about how to prepare an audiobook should you decide to do this. And I know many of you are. It is a hot niche right now. They cannot get these things recorded fast enough. So here we go. How to prepare to narrate a fiction audiobook. So the first thing you want to do is pre-read the book and notate all the characters, because you can't just jump into these things cold without some planning. So once you've figured out all the different characters, which will be different voices that you'll be doing, that's the first step. The second is to look up pronunciation. And that means proper names, names of places, any words you don't understand, and notate it phonetically on your script. Then you're going to create a spreadsheet of all the characters with their names, with their personalities, with their voice characteristics, and any references to real people, because sometimes your characters are copies of people that you know. And you're only going to do this for the main characters in the book, not for the incidental ones. You're then going to create and attach an audio clip of those voices of the main characters, and this is really vital for consistency. If they call you back, if the book is a series, because they often want to keep the same narrator. And one word of warning, this can take up to double the time it takes to actually read the book. So you're invested, but it's really worthwhile. The result will be a beautifully narrated book and hopefully a great new voiceover career for you as an audiobook narrator. I'm Susan Berkley, back next week with more.